Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This video is going to show you what you are going to do with a CK12 assignment. So your teacher would link the CK12 assignment to their Canvas page of your task of things to do for the day, and you would be able to click on it. So let's say that we assigned you a CK12 assignment on Earth's outer layers. So you would click on that in Canvas, and then it would bring you to this page. So this is kind of like a textbook, and you would go through and you could read about the Earth's outer layers. As you scroll down, there's different pictures with descriptions. There are videos that you might be required to watch. There's always a little summary, some review questions to think about or possibly answer on a piece of paper. And then sometimes there's more videos and some other questions about that video down at the bottom. When you are finished with the reading, and you might have a note-taking kind of paper to go along with it or another note-taking assignment. But when you are done with that, if your teacher has required you to do the practice as well, there is a little practice button down here. And this used to be blue last year. I think they changed the color on it, so it's green now. But and I think yours just says practice. I'm in the teacher view, so I'm not in the student view, so yours might look a little different. But you would click on the practice, and then it goes to what's called an adaptive practice. And the adaptive practice is where it will give you questions and you will fill them in. Some of them are multiple choice. Some of them, I think you're typing the answer in, if I remember correctly from last year. And then you will get questions based on how well you're doing. And I think last year, sometimes when students would miss a question, it would give it back to you again a little bit later. And your goal is to get 10 questions right. So it doesn't matter how many questions you miss. As soon as you get 10 questions right, then you've completed your goal. Can you do more than 10 questions? Absolutely. Can you do less than 10 questions? Well, you could, but why would you want to get 5 out of 10 when you could keep going until you get 10 out of 10? So once you get 10 out of 10, that would be the goal. Then you, I think there's like a done button. And then last year there was a turn in button that you had to press in order for your assignment score to be recorded in your teacher's Canvas gradebook that they are able to see. And then they can transfer that grade to your Infinite Campus gradebook that you would be able to see, that you've done that assignment. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask your teacher.